Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Have you ever wondered if it's still possible to see your chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat? Most people think those messages are gone forever, but there's actually a way to get them back. And I'm going to show you how to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can see your chats with someone who has blocked you on Snapchat. So let's jump right into it, no wasting time. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, normally if you go to the search bar and look up the person who blocked you, their account won't show up at all. So how do we get those chats back? Let me show you. Head back to the home screen of Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, go ahead and tap on the settings gear at the top right corner. Now, scroll down until you see an option called My Data. Tap on it. This is where Snapchat allows you to download different information linked to your account. Here's the key step. Select only chat history. Next, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can choose the date range of the chat history you want to download. Once you've set the dates, just tap on Submit in the bottom right. After some time, Snapchat will send you an email with a link to download your data. That file will contain your chat history, including the messages with the person who blocked you. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.